Hello guys, hello. Okay, the stream is live, I think. Oh, all right, the stream is live. That's awesome. Okay, so just now I started the stream without putting up the YouTube dashboard. I think that just failed, just failed completely. That's bullshit. Um, okay. Um, yeah. I'm using a close-up mic now, like a streamer style. The camera is also just on top now, so it's facing me. You can tell me what you think. Uh, Besides that, the agenda for today, there's not a lot of agenda for today. It's just to test this. So, I was coding some stuff, so we could continue that, but we have another 30 minutes before I continue the code because I'm waiting for the AI. I'm waiting for an AI model to, which is Opus, offered by Gemini, offered by Anti-Gravity, and they have a time limit cap of 5 hours for each usage, which is really dumb. It wasn't a thing, they purposely said it, so I still have to wait 14 minutes for it. So anyway, while waiting, you can let me know what you think of this setup. This, I mean, it's a fresh look to me, so I personally think it's not bad, and hopefully the sound sounds good as well. So let me just check the sound. I haven't had the chance to actually go and check it. Blah, 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 blah. Let me just get to it. I'll mute myself real quick first, guys. Actually go and check it. It wasn't a thing. They purposely said it. So I still have to wait 14 minutes for it. So okay, I'm back now. I've basically just reset the position of. Seems like I'm not right enough, so is this enough? I'm in the middle here, so still not exactly middle. I have a mid. I am trying to push it so it feels more centered, but I think this is good enough now. It's probably good enough. Be right back. It's actually a perfect chance because I was gonna play Clash of Clans like every night, every time, every day, 2 days time, which is midnight. I I go play the Clash of Clans on my tablet. So I'm gonna see if it's possible to stream without having to download the client Google Play Games beta on the desktop, and we'll see if it works. Casting, I don't think it works, honestly. I don't think I have anything there. Wait, I do. Okay. I actually do if I compromise a bit. Let me just try to see if the compromise is possible. Okay, it's possible. Okay, nice. It is possible, so I did not ask for this though, honestly. I did not ask for you to also do that, so I will push down my mic a bit because, well, I can't see shit, you know? I gotta see shit, so. I'm gonna, okay. This is fine. Let's see if my Scrappy is working. Yes, this. Did it find it? Do I have? Let's see. Okay. I think yeah. Hey, we can play. Let me just retry. And then I should be able to stream. Oh, okay, that's awesome. I can stream it to you guys now. Let me just restart it. It closed, guys. I'm sorry. Oh wow. Oh, you even get desktop audio. Okay, that's cool. Let me just show you guys, I guess. Let's see. Oh, it's big. Okay. Okay, wait. Give me a moment. We've gotta adjust it. Lol. Application Windows. Guess it doesn't work like that. Okay, this works. So because I am playing in a tablet form, so wait. Oh crap, it's gone. Sorry guys. Let me just switch back to this. I didn't even realize I switched to the wrong screen. think it's locked, no? I haven't interacted with OBS in so long, guys. I'm so sorry. Like, I do not remember shit. Does it block anything at all? I just put it in the middle, I guess. Crap. Unfortunately I do not remember much. Okay, we're gonna have ugly borders, so bear with me, I guess. And then I'm gonna snap the live chat here real quick because we do actually have a live chat for what it's worth. Come on. Let me test. Hi. Does it show? Does it show the live chat? Okay. We're just gonna show it like that. I do not have any CSS for it actually. That's kind of depressing. I should have had CSS for it. God damn it. Okay, never mind. I think that's enough for this. Honestly. Okay. So we gonna play. Let me just grab. This will make the experience of playing way nicer. Okay, now I can actually see and we can start playing. So that's awesome. Oh, I technically can interact it with the computer. Volume is a bit loud, so I'm gonna lower it. Alright, never thought I would become a COC YouTuber. We can lower this a bit actually. Okay, this looks kinda fine. Let's just push it up a bit. It doesn't matter, when I'm looking down it's gonna look correct anyways. Oh, I can look here, I guess. Computer kinda ass though. So this is my daily play of this game. I'll just like play it every day. Ooh, wait guys, it's about to refresh in 1 minute. Ooh, we can get back to coding. Okay, that's nice. Let's see. We not gonna play that first. First thing first, we're gonna go make sure to run all this. I got a lot of elixirs. I'm gonna use it on something. Wizard. It's almost max. I don't know why it's max. I never really invested on it. It's just somehow very high level. Alright. Guys, just so you know, I just play leisurely, so I do not give a shit if I'm bad. Please do not judge if I'm bad or whatever. Because I just play leisurely. Yeah, it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. Oh man, this plan really bad. It doesn't seem like that's a good plan anyway. Let's just start here. Number 3 might be affected, honestly, but I think it can't be helped. Let's start 3 as well. That should target that. when it's possible. Okay, this is not bad, considering it had like a lot of like it had a lot of like air defenses. That is a pretty good play. That is indeed a pretty good play. Not bad, not bad. I'm proud of that, honestly. Okay, because we already did that, so it's gonna be like easy peasy. I'm gonna submit this just to tackle it, and this. We want to put this first, have it target there, and then just start stacking it. Then since because we're gonna win anyways, just spam all the troops anyways. It speeds up the win, you know, you can win quicker. Yeah, basically a guaranteed win. So, luck show done eh? It's a bit so you play one more. I just want to clear the daily stuff for this game. I mean, this is quite straightforward. The expo is a pain though, but I think the rest should be fine. Other than it's actually quite high level. Everything he has is very high level. So on that front, I am questioning, but we'll make do somehow. I'm pretty sure we will. So it's bad that it saw that first. That's my mistake, honestly. Wow, the bomb is big enough to insta-kill. I don't even have anything to say to that. I do want to invest on this. Meter, just eliminate all the meters first. I think for this one, it's safer to just activate all your bats. The damage is really high. They are pretty high level, honestly. And I'll be counting on this as well, so... Ah man, not enough, not just in time. I miss it. Actually, crap. Would it be better if I make it smaller? Kinda fit, you know. It works. I think it works. Nah, the cam is definitely too small, honestly. I think this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Oh, here's where the troublesome part is. Air balloon and the fire. Oh man. It's hard because they stack it with the cannons, and the cannons is where exactly I want to avoid. I can put one here, but let's just start here first. I want this to clear out this, so that this can start walking from here. And we choose to walk down. And specifically, it will... I did not press that. Okay, they are in. Now I spam it. Oh shit, that was too high. That's not enough. Oh crap. It was a good attempt, guys. It was a good attempt. Oh my god. That was fucking bombastic. What? It's a good attempt. The person is very high level. I'll take it. I still won. I still did what I needed to, which is the stars. Clean. I always choose gold. I always find elixir to be very useless, but now it's becoming even more useless because the only usage I for my elixir is the garden warden, which there's like 15 million. Yeah, 15 million, which like I have 15 million elixir, and the only thing I can upgrade is garden warden or the walls, which is so stupid. Like the elixir is so totally useless. See, man. Actually, oh man. Oh, I've played a bit early today. I played a bit too late yesterday, so that's probably why it's like that. Wait a bit. Well, that's a bummer. I need to probably pull out the wheel because I cannot see. They want this to clear out this so that this can start walking from here. This elixir is about to done, right? This one is us. This one is this. Where's the other one? The sped up one is here. Okay. I guess we can play this since we're here. I mean, we're here anyway, so might as well use the chance, I guess. And for this one, I don't really care. I just play. Oh man, this one is also yabai. Got a bait one here. It's gonna get baited from there, I swear to god. So this is troublesome because Inferno is super troublesome. Oh my god, I missed it. This is my fault 100%. It did not go for the Inferno. God damn. I mess up on that. Seriously. It's so bad. It is so bad. Oh my god. Inferno catches it again. It's such a bad play. Oh my god. Not good, not good. This one is not good at all. Where did the other one go? Oh, it's the wizard. The wizard still hanging on. Usually the wizard dies the first, so honestly, I'm honored the wizard didn't die. Oh. I think we can clean it up with this attack, so let's try to clean it up. We have to tackle that first though. This one should be straightforward, honestly. There's 2 Infernos. Yeah, it should be possible. Let's just utilize this as the bait. Hopefully it doesn't walk the dumb way. Awesome, it became the bait. Bad thing is I put all the dragons together. Okay, it instantly eliminated that. So I guess that's probably fine. Normally you wouldn't want that, to be honest. And let's see, I'll probably thunder this. Like, it will make sense to thunder here, but like the Inferno Dragon is gonna instant kill all of them at the same time, so it doesn't really worth the elixir to do that. And then we're gonna put the rage spell here. There's nothing else, I think. Yep, there's nothing else here. So we're gonna like drop it here. Did a bit late, honestly. Hopefully the rage still helps it. Oh, it didn't hit the wizard tower. That's a bummer. Okay, no, yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good. Somebody did this. I'm supposed to waste my attack. This shit always happen. I swear to God. Like those bitches. Finish your attack. Let's see who's the moron. This guy. Man, he's so close as well. 2 attacks. Nah, bro, I'm not cleaning up your fuck up, bro. Yeah, it's literally 99. This is the first time I've actually seen 99. Usually I see like 92, 96%. This one's just diabolical, bro. Diabolical. Eh. 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 Who's gonna attack this? Who's gonna attack this? Oh man. I really don't want to. We have quite a lot of options. I've only ever used dragons, honestly. I never considered anything else. Literally never. The others would be pretty decent, I guess. But honestly, I don't want to think that much. So I always use the dragon. Because with dragon, you don't need to think. You just place down the dragon and it'll attack. And that's often more than enough. So if I sound kind of weird today, I'm not sure. I think I'm just a bit slurring my words, so like I'm not spelling it properly, and there's like some kind of intonation going on, so it makes me sound super weird. And I'm still honestly not sure why. Okay, so this 110 gems is so freaking diabolical. I'm gonna swear. I swear to God, I'm gonna swear. What the? Like, that is way too much diamonds for it. I mean, gems, but Someone's gonna do it. Someone's gonna do it. I wanna see how long it takes for someone to do it. How about you, Imu? Get your ass and clean that shit up, bro. Clean that shit up. Clean your shit up, bro. Anyways, let's just give you a little background. I've been like grinding on this for like I think almost a year now at this point. So I just log in every day and I just basically do all these dailies. If I'm free with upgrade, I'll grind some money, or I'll grind some coins, or grind some elixir. I'll just upgrade them so every day it gets updated, and then I'll just log in every day, check in, and then I'll just play this mode, grind the stuff, also upgrade here. You can see it all. I'll just repeat the process for almost a year now. So yeah, it's been a pretty good progress. Slow progress does help. You can see my entire base is pretty much max upgrade at this point. I'm proud of it. I did not notice it though, however. I'm just like slowly upgrading it, and then long before I knew, everything's pretty much upgraded. So yeah, that's a good thing. Grinding. I wouldn't even. I guess that is grinding. I'm just playing it daily, just hitting the goals and then just leaving. So that is a grind. That is a form of grind. Oh, that's awesome. So the AI did finish the fixes. So I'm gonna review it since I'm waiting for some moron to take responsibility of his own attack. So yeah. 26. Okay, we have some time. So let me just check. Let me just check now. Fixes. I guess you guys can see. It's not really a big deal. I don't really care. we also have 1 day, so honestly, because we have 1 day left on this raid, I'm gonna just like leave it. Somebody's gonna take responsibility. 2 attacks and I'm only at 5,000. That is not that good, honestly. Not that good. 3 attacks already 10,000. Jesus Christ. I guess if nobody's gonna do it, I will, but I'm pretty sure somebody will do it, so that question's really not with me. I think besides that, we are good, I think. Oh yeah, speaking of this, Clash Royale, like 2 months ago implemented this new shit. It's pretty crazy, honestly. It's basically a live chat. What? What? What the hell is this bug? Okay, that's interesting. You can trigger the bug with mouse by right clicking. That's an interesting bug. You quit the game. Right click is quit the game, but right click in here is delete the chat. God damn. Then let me try this. Oh, it's not just you can see I'm using the back button on Android. Yeah, it just delete. That's definitely a bug. This is 100% a bug. So Clash of Clans, I doubt someone working there is watching this, but if you see this, fix your bug, okay? Back button is killing the GoPro chat. I'm pretty sure it's killing this as well. Oh no, it doesn't. It happens for GoPro chat. Okay. Have fun fixing that bug. It's probably a straightforward bug. Probably just need to know that back button on global chat is not the same as this, or that it just should close the chat, I guess. Card, yeah, they also have an event with the card as well. Guess I forgot to claim all this. I didn't start this at all. Like when I grind, I really don't care about all this. I really should, honestly. Like I say, I do the bare minimum and I don't try to fully understand, so can you really blame me? Okay, I think that's enough for this game. I'll play it myself tomorrow. I will gonna upgrade this. I do have the money now. This 1 day's 12 hour. I was gonna do that, but do I have any other games I actually can play while on stream? Yes, I do. Okay, I'm gonna check the code first actually, since it's fakes. We're gonna leave the keyboard like that. We're gonna leave. You guys will see this first, so oh, then I'm actually properly looking at the screen. Now that I'm properly looking at the screen, I can just drag it up like normal now. It's a lot of changes. Oh my god. Let's start the collab. Oh god, please work. Please may the fix work. Not guaranteed, but hey, I take whatever wins I get. Yeah, speaking of this, I recently just started watching Ludwig's masterclass, you could call, or streamer you. It was pretty insightful, honestly, and they also touched about the point with multi-streaming. I should probably consider that, honestly, like with the multi-streaming, I should consider that. I haven't though. I've done that before, but I usually just don't do multi-stream, so why is that to me? What the fuck? Oh. What is this bug? What the heck? Can there be two of someone? My god. The bug goes crazy. I swear to god. At this point, I give up. Oh, let's just go to testing. Nah, not sure why. I should probably understand why it happens, but couldn't give up. Couldn't give up. Let's change it here. Okay. It reinstates. It's a bit delayed for some, but god damn, you still reorder. Okay. I think the reordering is fine. It does mess with the logic a bit, but yeah, at least we have one source of truth. I'm honestly way happier with that than anything else. So yeah. This guy deleted it. It should not appear even after you refresh. Good. Maybe like type this, you type that. Like research. Changes should not have been made. Oh, okay. I think the bug have been fixed. Awesome then. This is awesome. Let's see. Let's see if there's anything else I have missed for the code. Oh crap, it uses almost all the tokens already. In like 10 minutes? Okay, that's fine. Everything is fixed though, so I'm really happy with it. I noticed that basically my unemployment time right now, holiday, you can call it whatever you call it, I'm just using my time to build all sort of applications. I mean, mainly with white code, but with enough dedication and experience, it's not really an issue, honestly. You gotta think about all the architecture, framework you want to use, modular components, file structure, organization, documentation. I mean, if it's just a really random, simple app, then you really don't need to do any of that, but I'm building some production shit, which is like require all of those. Plus, it's general good practice to do that, because you can maintain a clean code, clean architecture, and also with reusable components, your UI elements will all look the same, and the design will be clean as well. And all of that needs to have animation. And if you have a database, specifically, you have API or databases, then it's also very important to have validations as well. Prevent attacks. I know there's like, what do you call XXS or something, I don't know, SFRF, and then SQL injection, which is the most basic one. You also have we also need like API rate limiting because people can spam you. Yeah, so it's just like all of them. Very important, honestly, like very important. Especially when you're building an app meant for just people and users to use. It needs to be good. I mean, I forgot the pen was attached here. Oh, this is wrong. Yeah. Okay, never mind. I think the app is stable now. I think we can push it. Never realized. I don't think I look at the camera enough. The camera is a bit high, guys, so my bad if I'm not looking at it enough. It needs to be above the monitor so that I can get this kind of streamer type view. We can also try with the lights on, I guess. I hate lights, guys. I'm not sure if you know. I hate lights. Hey guys, what do you think? I mean, it's not as nice now because I'm actually blocking it, whereas the previous setup has the camera like guys there, so you actually get a better look of the LED. Whatever works, I guess. Whatever works. You learn to look at the camera as well. I don't look at camera frequently enough, honestly. That's an issue. I mean, okay, it's not really an issue because my monitor is here, the camera is up here, so it's not like it's my fault. Yeah. God damn, I'm blocking it. It really does not look as nice. Look at the bubbles on the LED. We call this bokeh, which is very nice, but I am blocking it and the camera is facing down at me, so you won't even get to see it anyways. What a waste. More time, eh? Fair to be a streamer, you need to be a streamer and then you have no viewers, you have to be Cisco fanatic. What do you call that? You're just talking to nobody, talking to yourself. Holy crap, it's crazy. In Chinese, we call this 自讲自笑. You talk by yourself, you laugh by yourself. And that's a literal translation. More localized would be you laugh at what you said. Laughing at what you said. I'm not sure. 自讲自笑 is way better. Did somebody attack? Nobody. Or everyone in this clan is a pussy. Everyone in this clan is a pussy. Come on guys, it's just 99%. Just attack it, okay guys? Don't be a pussy. Because the code works now, I want some checking for it. So because I want validations, so let's get the model to awesome. Now I have finished on the fixes in the, let's see. Can you do a full final inspection and verify if there's any errors within the new codes that is meant to be or to serve the one source of truth and never allow drifting to ever happen again. It's all in the get fun stage. Because I'm looking at the monitor now, I will make effort to pull up my microphone. I'm not playing the game, not looking down anymore. Otherwise, honestly, I think the civics is solid. So right now, what I'm doing is conducting a final check, which is to ensure all the features. Because I do not have automated testing yet, because it is still like in like very fast-paced development, and I'm still implementing a lot of new features, and it's also in beta. Not even beta, it's in alpha technically. So yeah, it's like very. I'm currently still like developing it like really fast, especially with AI. You can do really fast. So like basically everything you do with AI is just prototyping. I mean, from mockup to prototype to kind of okay and then into production, or unless you build the feature one by one, so you already pre-planned beforehand. So you plan out a document, you spec out what purpose of it, how it will be implemented, what is the schema database, what is the validation type we need, and all those variables, all those. And then once you're done, then you will not implement that full detailed plan yet. You will just implement the prototyping UI. Maybe if you just want to know the UI how it looks first, then just do the UI first. And then after you're done with that, you gotta kind of an idea what you want the UI to look like, and then you will move on to actually developing the back end and the stuff. Then you will link it to the prototype first. Then after you test everything works as intended, then you just overhaul the UI. That's how I assume usually you would do. But I just start from wherever. I usually just spec out the full documents and then I will just work as you go. So like Amazon has a thing called pay as you go, which is the more you use, the more you pay, and then the more you use, you pay as you go. Mine is just you do as you go. Nothing's gonna be perfect in the first run. You're gonna have like errors, issue, misconfigured APIs, or invalid we call it invalid formatting of data, so it will just reject it and all those kind of errors. So yeah. I'm gonna run the test right now first though. Forgive me. Give me a moment. I'm sorry. I gotta just clean up my drippy nose. That does not sound good at all. That does not sound good at all. Am I gonna mark here? Okay. I scratched my head. That's unavoidable. Let's get this upgraded. Yeah, I think that's it for our gameplay today. I might consider playing another game right now, but since the coding is done, I'm probably gonna like clean up the code, honestly. Okay, this is done. Gomen. That's good, that's good. I need to test the API now. Hey, what the? So it doesn't line up properly. That is weird. That's so weird. What is this bug? What is this bug? And it's not even a. Oh wait. Is it an actual thing when you do it? No, it's not. It's just a physical boundary it has. Wait, let me just ask it to quickly fix it. Next. Let's see. I think I should show you guys, right? You guys would want to see, honestly. The issue is when I show, I'm just showing the desktop screen itself, so it might leak some stuff I don't want to. And that is risky, very risky. I guess that's actually probably fine. Probably is not a good word. You should not bet on this kind of thing. Yeah, I think I got my idea through. Should have understood. Okay, I forgot to test another bug, which How did I forget that? Yeah, no, it was select the text to disappear. Hmm. I think it probably doesn't hurt to show, honestly. Probably doesn't hurt. Probably is not a good bet, but hey, that's what I'm willing to bet. Oh no.
Lol.
Oh wow, a note stream of mine. Nostalgic. Okay. What did it remove? What? That really work? Oh, that. No, that did not work. What the hell is that? Wait. I might need to refresh. Maybe it just needs a refresh. No, it did not fix that. That's wrong. Oh, okay. Okay, that's my bad. Okay, that's a good fix. That's a good fix. Seriously. That was good. I should probably show you guys something. You guys can't see anything. IP webcam. Windows. Yeah. I'm very inclined to just show you my desktop, honestly. My issue is I use Alt Tab so often. You're gonna see because Alt Tab shows in, yeah, the main monitor. So yeah, I believe that nothing that can be leaked. I guess, yeah, technically there's nothing much that can be leaked. Okay, yeah, it seems fine. Yeah, yeah, I think it's fine. Just to be sure. Yep. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I think we can show now. So, hey, welcome to my developer grounds. Blah 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 blah. I mean, I used to write code, but now nobody write code. I mean, not that nobody writes, you just let the AI do it. Make sure you explain properly, by the way, because the AI wants to understand. Hmm. So let me demonstrate what I mean. So when you highlight, you see the highlight here. But when you're working with multiple people, you will see highlight what they highlight. So you can see highlight and then it disappears, right? But if you click on it, you will see it again. So that's the bug I'm trying to fix. So let's see if Gemini 3.7 Flash can fix it. Flash is surprisingly decent. At least with my experience, I mean, it's not like crazy, but it is pretty decent. I'm not sure if it's equivalent to 3.1 Pro because I haven't had a lot of experience with the 3.7, but 3.1 is not Pro is not that good with high thinking anyway. It's not really that good. Actually, kind of bad. It mess up like way too much, especially for like this kind of code base. Oh my god, this is all just a legal page, so it's just legal stuff. Because I'm gonna be deploying it, so it kinda needs to be written properly. So we got like privacy, all this. So kind of had to read through everything, make sure it's right. Yeah, this is basically the email. The domain is correct, but I'm not sure if you're actually able to message it. I do have the actual domain, just not sure if you would be able to contact. cause hey. This document is correct. This would be right. Okay. Not sure if it's fixing, but let's just do a hard refresh. See? I had Opus fix it and it didn't manage to fix, but 3.7 managed to fix it. The issue is I'm not sure if just because they know how to fix, will it not introduce a new bug? That I'm not sure. Because I'm still really new with 3.7 Flash Pro. It does use up a lot of token. Surprisingly, it does use a lot. I would say more than 3.1 Pro, honestly. Both on high thinking, of course. Both are on high thinking. But yeah, it works properly. Like I am no I'm satisfied, baby. I have no questions. Wait, it lags? Let me just do this. It's alright. It's alright. And let's try MTL because I do have this is also a new implementation. I was fixing the docs as part of this MTL, but the main feature right now is the MTL. You can choose between multiple API keys. You can choose DeepL, Google Translate, which is a traditional LLM train, or no, not LLM. I'm pretty sure it's just Google Translate. Train Google Translate. No, I'm pretty sure not LLM. They are neural machine neural network. They are just basic neural network that you just feed. So you teach him 我 is in Chinese. English is me. So 我 is me, 我 is me, and then you just try. Then 我们 then we 我们 we then 一起我们一起 we together, but it doesn't sound like we together. It sounds weird. So together. So then it will turn into we together. I guess we together is fine. We will together or something. Will usually we have a will. So 我们一起去玩. Let's go play together. 我们 us 一起 together 去玩 go play. But we're not gonna use us together go play. So they're gonna train it so it's let's go play together. Yeah, my brain not so good. You get what I mean. Speaking of that, we should have ran this translation. I'm gonna just run on. I'm checking everything here just so it's correct. Must correct. Must all the key job ID. We will translate. Okay, it's done. Gemini return. This one is really fast. Wow. Let's see. It's my turn to cook today. I wonder if Kagari may this one Kagari kita ke I oto to omoide kure. I wonder if Kagari has started cooking the rice. Kagari is okay me. Doshita. No mind. What's wrong with from door? Nanakun. Oh, you know. It's anone. I would translate to you know, or well, that also works. A bug. I would probably translate it to more like, so it's a bug. I'm sorry. This is my bad. The OCR isn't 100%, so yeah, you would normally clean it up before you do MTL, but I'm just showing you guys, that's why. After growing better, I've been defeated. With yeah, I need to get this order fixed. This is just a Python code I need to write to arrange the reading order, because manga start from left to right and then from bottom top to bottom. I will fix that. And there's actually no easy way to switch between them other than the just like wait a second. Why does it do that? That's weird. What? It erased things I've pasted in? Hey, wait, that shouldn't be it. That should never be pastable. What the hell? What? Okay. We have some issues. Why is it? Okay, this is interesting. Right. Alright, appreciate it. It works perfectly. Now on to a UX issue. My OCR recognized 3 bubbles and ordered them from 1 to 3, but it got the ordering wrong with 2 and 3, so I tried to manually swap the ordering by cutting the 3 to 2 and 2 to 3, but when I do the first cut and paste 3 to 2, then I think it fails. Let me just get, I actually forgot what it does. 2, and it reappears. Reappears 1, 2, 3, and then instead 2 also disappears. What is happening specifically for that? The dog should always be added. Users or changes in actions. So it's gonna spend some time to really dig into the causes. So we're gonna give it some time. Error searching. One thing I realized that this mic isn't good is that it reacts to like even a bit of my voice. Like, it's not good. Like you're supposed to like hear me very clearly if I'm close, and then when I'm far away, you should not hear me as clear. But then a cough. And then you just hear it as loud, which is not good at all. That's why I always try to like do it on the side, but it still catches it. Mate. So yeah, I'm not supposed to, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Am I supposed to even do something about it? I think so. Different. So hopefully that didn't have any fuck up. I have no idea what was happening. Let's listen to his explanation. Oh, I didn't respect dog wins for Japanese text. Pretty sure the MTL also doesn't. The pair MTL was set to dog's wins. Own the translation by the Japanese. Okay. I never tried the MTL, so this one is actually a good catch. What do you mean? That means that when deleting the whole thing it respect, but when I delete just one word it doesn't respect. What? But I can add and then it works. What? 2 wins. I see. Extra pairs from docs now reads all child text before BRSJP and after BRSMTL. Okay. Does that mean it fixes this? No, it's not. It's not fixing. Okay, let's just go back to the bubble where it's reverse in order. Let's just paste this in here. It worked, right? I guess it worked. But this text disappeared though. What? I'm pretty sure I need to restart this. So let's just try that. I'm pretty sure I need to restart that. Wait, do I though? Did it change that? No, it didn't. So I shouldn't need to restart that to fix that. That's weird. That is weird. Tissue vacuum. Let's actually try it with another text. Government. Whoa, where did this dot come from? That's way too many. One dot's way too many. Actually, way too many dots. Okay, let's continue the MTL. I haven't read finish yet. The green bitter. I've been defeated with a vacuum, with a tissue. Whoa. Okay. That's about. Thanks, but. Oh my god, I'm gonna. Wait, let me just try. Yikes. No, it does work. If I did holding, it does work. MTL is not configured. That is a problem. To be fair, I didn't test the MTR at all until right now. I was just too focused on fixing the JP issue, honestly. 3.7. Made some changes. No, I mean, yes, go run your tests, okay? With a vacuum, with a tissue. It still happens. It still happens. It still happens, bro. It's on the end again. Let me just read. I never actually read. I just say that it still happens. Fix recirculating. Remove insertion for brand. I think it's the fact it never came back to me means that it's actually probably not work. Otherwise, it would have just told me I should restart. But it can be done, so I wouldn't pass off that chance. But because it's not changes on the collab YJS itself, so I do not need to restart the YJS. And now it's fixing something else. Okay. Why can't you just fix it in one try? Just do it properly, bro. God damn it. I'm just trying to do. Still happens. What the hell is that? I have so many doubts about this. I have so many doubts about this working. But I also do not have so much tenacity to keep it going on. Honestly. I'll be real. Japanese textbooks is more than enough, you know. Yeah, it is good, mate. Can they receive monitor brightness at me? Guys, let's watch some anime. I'm not guns. I'm gonna get copyrighted, bro. Nana Kunwa must be tired from work. Let me go. I'll do it for you. Bakana. Ja. Well, help me out with the prep. Help me out with prepping the dinner then. Not that I'm proud of cooking or anything after all. Oremoliori can't read. Fuck. I was thinking of making curry today. So that's the you not have the energy to help out. Guys, this is diabetes. I'm telling you right now, you're not seeing it but it's diabetes. Okay, so another good feature of what I have is, yeah, sometimes it's not, and not sometimes, it usually misses the SFX, so you just mark it. You just mark it. Bam! You got the SFX down here, and then after a few seconds, the magic should boop. I hope. I'm not sure if it's broken by all the changes again. It should put out the new. There you go. Oh yeah, it's fucking. What just happened actually? The fuck? Oh, Okay, got the SFX. What the hell actually happened here? It duplicated twice. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Let's just write it as a known issue. Do not run the bubbles if you haven't had them prepared. Yeah, it conflicts, and this is a really big issue, honestly. This is a pretty big issue. I think the easier test would just be for me to I'm gonna open and drop. I'm gonna open a new chapter. This one might be cook, you know. You're gonna just open a new chapter. Fairy tale like, oh yeah, if you're wondering what this series is called the fairy tale like you goes on assault 8. This is the original image. It's actually really small in size. This is 100%. But because it's way too small, I did some upscaling. So you can see this is after an upscale. Looks way better, way decent. It's meh, not that good. But the original quality wasn't any good quality to work with begin with, so it's a compromise. Most people wouldn't notice it. And also I had a nice person help me color this. His next. He's gone now. He's long gone. Some sausage. Okay, let's just go chapter 8. We will just drop all the images. You can drop either with just files like this, or you can just pick them up like this. I usually do them like this because I usually have the folder open, but just for proper support, it works like that. You can preview as well side by side. That's no EN. No need check. For our case, we just upload it straight up. It will be done, and then we can go into open. Then you just scan. You just scan. Running Docker here locally. Should get all the requests for the scan. Yep, it's doing it. So I'm using Mukuro for this. Mokuro. I keep calling Mukuro because I'm really used to Mukuro. I don't know why. It's Mokuro. I don't know what Mukuro is. I just started calling it Mukuro myself. Yeah, Mukuro is not a real thing. It's Mokuro. Yeah, you can see it's working. It's slowly working. Let it work, and I'll do the MTL once it's done for the entire chapter. This is only comprised of 7 pages. So since it's also doing it, let's say this is kala. So this is clatter. It's closing the windshield. Is it windshield? Window door is closing that. I missed that. I also missed it. I am not sure. I can read this. So I cannot read katakana. You can see it missed some SFX. That depends on your team whether or not most team doesn't do SFX. But if you do, you technically either you just add the box yourself. You can just add text, or just say okay. Oh yeah, you need to change page when you add text so it knows. So it will actually add to the correct page. Otherwise it won't add to the correct page, okay? So I'm gonna delete it. Okay, weird bug. There's a lot of bug. Trying to get this work over properly. Man, if I just ditch this and I just scan and just dump all the text here, it would be so easy, much easier without all this link linking shit. Oh, it's making my life so much harder. You can also do follow where you just scroll and auto. Why did I do this to myself? Okay, let's get back to it. We are done. So we'll just do some quick stuff. This is Jiwa, but it's gonna do it wrong. So let's just not do it instead. Nothing is missing. Let's see, there's anything else. This is something. From my testing, it keeps getting this wrong, even though it's really clear. I'm not sure what to say. It is what it is. Oi! Don't stop me. It's kind of narration, honestly. So it's up to you. And the type it gets it wrong sometimes. So I wouldn't put my. So you got the text for this. You got for let's no, this is color. I'll just write color. Letter. See, you just got it wrong. Okaishi payback. It works. I don't know why it's drift. Okay, so I think we got most of the things now. For example, you will clean because you're supposed to read through it. So this one is actually dot. Let's see. Whoosh. So. I'll just add that so. Sometimes it confuses, so yeah. I would recommend cleaning it up honestly. Well, sometimes it's just dameda. This MTL intended use is just to speed up so you don't have to extract it yourself. You are meant to proofread the text here in the document. You're not supposed to just fully rely on it. Although there is like a 90+% accuracy, you're supposed to, if you want quality, read, check. Okay. I just hit the mic. God damn. Okay, this one is also good. I think we're good now. So we're just gonna do translation. This is the cheapest Gemini API, which you can configure in the team settings, and then you just translate. And let's see for 7-page how long it takes for this 7-page to be finished translated. Just now was really fast, way faster than I ever thought it should be. So I'm curious how fast this will be. Okay, it's duplicating now. Yeah. This is false. Fix. Thanks. After your fix, then new chapter it duplicates each until twice. So it says returning. This one should be payback. So supposedly with AI, it's supposed to be like better in understanding context, but sometimes you just see this translation like, am I sure the AI translated it? You see why you really should proofread. God damn, this one is so wrong. The duplicated text is also so wrong as well, but I could just rewind the code because it didn't fix it anyways. Man. I'm standing in front of the door and then I couldn't. Oh yeah. This is hey. All would sound way better than, oh, you know? What do I know? Okay, it changed something. Pair sync. Change the pair sync. I I do not have any settings right now to just delete all the MTL right now, which I do think is a really big waste because having the ability to do that will be really nice. How did you not caught that? I'm gonna do a hard. I'm gonna do a quick hard refresh. Yeah, it's not going away. God damn it. I guess the fact it's coming back means deleted MTL2 shows. That's an issue. So deleted MTLs also tries to show again. No one is lazy. I can just delete the whole docs and then just restart the scan. I do want to let it fix this first, and then I'll try to delete it again and then see if it's try will have that duplicate bug. I tried when it was deleted and then it just shows up again. I think I just realized how exhausting constantly talking can be. How the streamer do this for like freaking whole day? What the heck? It's probably gonna run some error checking now or pretty soon, I believe. The code changes actually pretty goddamn involved. MTL revision coding. So it's not using the same as. I mean, this AI is supposed to be way smarter, but nothing's really guaranteed because if you don't know what it's doing, then you don't know what it's doing, which is the issue for me, honestly. Okay, at least right now with 2 users on, it is working properly. I'm just gonna try to like speed run this. Wait, can I just X the entire row? No, I can't. I need to highlight them. Sad. Oh, we even duplicated that? What the hell? Puff. Puff. Puffer. Puffer fish. Oh yeah, speaking of this, because every manga has different name, I have a glossary. You can just add can tie specific names to specific identities so it wouldn't assume the name. Because one name can be named or called a lot of different method ways. So you can add the glossary. So this Nana-kun is not Lyri 7, but it's Nana-kun. So it's just Nana. And that is way better. And Nande, that's the yo, that's the yo, that's the yo. Yo. I think it will retranslate it, but okay, let's just quickly refresh to confirm. Okay, the other dogs is also fine. Oh, we can start the MTL again. So you can change the model. If you want the model to be smarter, you can change that. And in the future, I might add the context prompt so you can just write the context for a chapter. So at least you can at least give it some visual guidance on a specific chapter you want an AI to translate. So yeah, at least knows what's happening. Or at least you can describe it. I'm not sure though. It's just an option I might provide you guys in the future. Just add your own system prompt. Because right now there is a system prompt, but it's just the built in one. It's good, you know. Oh man, it's still showing twice. It's not fixed yet. Pretty sure that did not fix it. I'll just get this. Also, need some images to bounce. It shows the thinking back each other is so this bug is introduced by this. It wasn't an issue previously, so after it tried to fix something, it fucked it up. So I'm gonna outsource it to another AI. This AI did this, so I mean with some directions from me, so it is pretty decent. And then we got a mobile view, uses this. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Nothing bad, nothing good. It's actually pretty nice looking. I love it. I'll be real, I love it. Honestly, me just chilling down here isn't bad at all. Look at, I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. I guess I guess so. I'm using open code as well, so right now it's open code checking it right here. This is actually a sub agent. Open code can ask its open code is an agent where it can ask another agent, which is what we call sub agents, to help it do the research. So right now it's doing that. It's just asking another agent to do it for it. So I'm outsourcing from Gemini to OpenCode, and OpenCode outsource it to its own open. This one is Mimo V 2.5. Duplicate the path. It just means that it's rendering twice. That means that it's fetching twice though, no? I mean, I could just fix it by just unwinding the code, but I feel I'm just gonna have another AI fix that specific issue so that I can keep my deletion MTL fix that the Gemini did manage to fix properly. It's might take quite some time, honestly, so I just right because I'm gonna go brush my teeth since I'm gonna wait for a while. I'm gonna be back, so I'm gonna switch here for a bit while the AI is running. Read it. The brushing took a while. No. Oh, the code is still going. It's still going. Still ongoing. Let it identify the bug. I did mention that. Because when there is no two users, there's the problem doesn't exist at all. Like, right? It's always a multi work. If I leave right now and then nobody's here anymore, I just reverse the change. Easily just does it. No issue, no conflict, no nothing. And if another person comes in, okay, so he's in now, he's viewing the document. Look at if I try doing the same thing. See? God damn it, stop happening, okay? Stop happening. I'm tired of it. It's irritating. Man, it is so annoying. And because it's not something I can easily identify, it's a pain. I do see one concurrent viewer, I have no idea who he is. I was worried they might talk, but they are not talking, so I did not even worry about that. Because I would feel bad if I didn't reply to someone who spoke. Okay, the MTL is done. So yeah. There's so many issues, man. Oh, OCR and MTL should have been the same. Oh man. Gonna lose my marbles here. This dude wasn't second page, issue day. Oh man, I think there's some duplicate. What? What? Robert 6? No, it is like that. What the hell is that? Translation done. It's my turn to click it. I wonder if she. Oh, this is wrong. It's wrong. He's obviously wondering to himself. What's wrong? Is anything wrong? You see? Well, a bug. So a bug. So it's a bug. A bug. I fought desperate battle, but I lost. With the vacuum cleaner, did you just skip translating this? Did you just skip translating fifth? Yeah, what the heck? It's just wonderful. Why would it skip? What the heck? What is done? Huh? Done? You sure? Yeah. The more I'm doing this, the more bugs I'm gonna uncover, the more marbles I'm gonna lose, bro. I think the research is done for this. It died. Oh my god. I think the AI is just like, oh, it's dead. I mean, it's investigating directly. Oh crap. Holy. Let me just swipe some social media while I wait. Because this is gonna be a pretty big fix. I really hate mic in my face. Gotta hate mic when it's in my face. I can get used to it, but I really don't like it. I think I know why they do it like this, because it feels less in your face. Does that work? That does work. That does work. Hmm. Wa to ga. どういう意味? Wa to ga. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's watch this video together. Okay, I'll show it to you guys. 勉強してる人がめっちゃ悩むやつだと思うんだけど、でもこのルールさえ覚えれば9割はカバーできるよ。結論、わはもう知ってる話題、がは新しく出す話題。例えば昔話で昔々おじいさんがいましたって言うけど、このおじいさんは初めて登場するからが。その次、おじいさんは山へ行きました。ここではおじいさんのことはもうすでに知ってるからはもう一個。例えばインターホンが鳴った時に誰が来たの、田中さんが来たよ、誰って聞かれてて、新しい情報だからが。でも田中さんは何してるの、この時田中さんはもうすでに話題に出てるからは。新しい情報はが。でもすでに知ってることはは。これだけで9割の場面は。What am I doing? I'm playing that his entire video. If you want to watch, go watch his video. He's called Shogo Sensei Nihongo. So if you want to watch, just go search this video and you will learn what the difference is between ga and wa. But the wa is just ha. Japanese is weird. It's the only syllables I think that written as ha, but you just say it as wa. Watashi ga hungry desu. I don't know. I don't know what is that. Okay, so I just saw already. It's a very insane take. Tokens. So we have a lot of like companies adapting AI now, and so they, when they adapt AI, they have a performance metric to measure how well you are utilizing that AI. So this company apparently thought that using tokens to measure how well you are performing is very questionable. Using what? Tokens? The more token you spend, the better? Does that mean that I can just use your company AI and then just build my own applications and then I hit the token count so I'm performing? Token is not even a proper way to measure. Like, tokens. Huh? Token is just how much you use AI to assist you, and it's stored what it needs to do. I guess token is memory, so the more you use, the more you are utilizing AI, and the more you spend. You can think of tokens like credit. So you can use AI, and then the more tokens you have, the more AI you can use. So basically, the more AI you use, the more tokens you have, and then they are using that to measure your KPI performance. So the more AI you use, the more token you have, the better you are. There is zero tokens has zero indication of quality or value or result or goals that it has. It's just the amount spent, and it's just tokens. It doesn't really represent anything. In real world, you have measurable goals. For example, I will hit 90% in test cases for, let's say, this project. This one has no measurable value. It's just a token. It doesn't serve anything. I mean, I guess it does serve that. Or you use 500k tokens. That means you use the AI. You have used 500,000 of AI tokens. And then what does that translate to? Just translates to how much you have used. Doesn't really change anything. God bless America. It's very dumb because using AI to measure tokens is no way of measuring the actual goal or result of the application you have developed. If I just use AI to do my own project, would I also be count? Of course, because it's using tokens. Token has no way to measure deliverable outputs. So I can just use the AI to develop my own app, and then I will still pass the performance index, because how would he know? How would he know I spent it on random shit and not on work? Using tokens to measure is objectively the dumbest thing I have ever heard. And it's just an AI bubble waiting to fucking explode. Holy shit, what the fuck is that logic? 你用 AI token 只 measure 你花了多少个 token 在 AI， 它能 measure 到你 performance 好咩？能 measure 到你的那个 software feature 有 deliver 到咩？能 measure 到你的 quality 好咩？全部这些都 measure 不到，只 measure 你用了多少个 AI token，你 credit bro, this is so retarded. Because if you stop using AI, Jensen Huang, the CEO of Nvidia, will be fucked. Because AI was never sustainable in the first place. Not to say I'm knowledgeable at it, honestly, I'm not that knowledgeable, but we ignore that, just surface level. Okay, the fix is pretty straightforward, not much changes if any at all. So let me just switch back. Yeah, the changes here, just skip marks for active editor. This one just edits the text here, and then okay, it did change it a bit. Triple JP and then okay, pair marks. Oh, okay, so he added as pair marks, and then includes both JP and then MTL, and then remove this. Yeah. No docs win override. Okay, set to already protect pairs from being edit without this MTL text. You just cut it. Was silently rebooted. Okay. Uh. Okay. This is. This does make sense. The only thing now is to actually test it. So we got the text here. Let's go down here. So I'm gonna swap this text. So okay, okay. That is first bug fixed. The second bug is what is the second bug? The MTL. I think the second bug was the MTL. Not respecting the undos. Yep. So let's go back up here to the last one, which is this. So let's just delete. What the hell is that? Okay, I do not understand why the copy of the MTL text itself will paste the MTL as well. Things I do expect copy of MTL text. I mean, it doesn't happen with Japanese. So why does it happen with that? Which one? U0 is diabolical as hell, bro. Okay, it's fixing. It's fixing. Clickball issue. Ah, okay. Okay. Then that's understandable. Ah, it's fixed now. Okay, you see, when I cross this out, it doesn't delete. But when I it's fixed. It's fixed. So that is how okay now. That is okay now. I'll be real. I do want to see this. And that's very hard. I'm public server. Should be like that guy, huh? I don't know who the hell is watching me. If you wanna chat, feel free to chat. I can see you are watching, but I have no idea who is watching. There's only one viewer. Please don't tell me it's me, because that wouldn't make sense, because it's been 0 for like 2 hours and then now it just has one viewer and I have no idea who is it. hit me up if you have anything to talk. I'm free. I'm gonna stop streaming soon, so like, oh, you're still thinking, thinking too much to be honest. Not to blame. I don't want to blame you. That's just, oh, wait, what? What the? Okay. And it feels so weird. Yeah, that's fine. This is fine. Honestly, it does work decently well. Then I'm pretty satisfied. I guess the final test now is just to go through everything. Actually, at this point, is to really just go through everything. So go through everything, I guess. Oh man, I don't know if it affected the suggestion as well. Oh no, I do not want to know. Entirely. Just replace with um the hell did the O come from? And then just approve it. Yep. I guess that still works. Text is different though. Yeah, the written text is different. You can tell differences between the translated text and then actually you wrote the text that you wrote yourself. Yeah, you can tell. You can tell. That you implement. Okay, go on. Fuck, I just watched. I should have never screwed Instagram. DeepSeek is, I think DeepSeek has changed their subscription or something, because on free buff it's also gone. On here as well, code open code is also gone. So both of them are gone. No, it's not thinking anything. Oh yeah, I just saw a really real video. It's by this guy. It's quite small, you guys can't see it. Switch it. So it touched on a really sensitive topic, but I do think it's worth a lot of recognition, which is that specifically our moral and values only matters when it's done right to us and not others. So let's say we got person A, person B, and person C. A and B is friends, and then let's say C is another. So I don't think we even need C. Oh, okay, we need. Let's say you're friend with person B, and then B violate, let's say bullies, make fun or try to steal from C. But then, if for example they were trying to murder someone, then you would cut off them right instantly. So if your friend with B and B tries to murder someone, you will try to cut them off. But if B is, for example, stealing from C or lying to C or cheats on C, would you cut them off? A lot of people won't, and they justify this by saying because they are not the one being affected, and this hits really hard because it doesn't even need to be anything serious. It could just be like lying or even just simple bullying or just making fun of people, and as long they are not the one receiving the bully or trick being lied to, they are fine with being friends with this B person. And I find this really true even out in the real world, because as long the things that's being done that is very rude not to you or people, they will find accepting them as their friends because they aren't the one being violated or being made fun of or being lied to or being cheated on. And it really hurts me as well. I really hate people that are like that standard. But it's kind of how this world works, and I'm really disappointed, honestly. But what can I do? It's just my own. It's just what I think personally. If you're gonna stand up to it, please commit it fully, not half-ass. I do instantly cut everyone that violates what I think. For example, as I said, cheating, lying, all those. So is hard to say honestly, because no one is perfect. But the fact that they're willing to overlook it, that is annoying to me at least. Not to say I'm perfect. Obviously, we do make some lies, but there's a different type of lies. Like there's a good lie, there's a bad lie, there's a devilish lies. But he's trying to justify something like this feels really weird, right? Because there's never a right argument. Because it always depends on the circumstances you're in. And that's why it can be used for both good and bad. Like lying in general is deceiving someone, but it can be for the better or for the worse. Well, most is for the beneficial of the own oneself. So if you think anything that benefits yourself is bad or what, then yeah, you're cooked. This is how the world works, man. Everything must have an agenda. And I don't think everything should have an agenda, honestly. Everyone does things with an agenda. Just have fun, guys. This world is too messed up to be to get yourself involved with everything. You know, man. I'm not good at explaining, so I'll just dip myself out of the conversation. What the? It still happens. 3 of me knows. Oh crap. You say his face. I'm not saying it's 100% not fixed, but hey, I'm gonna act like I didn't see it. And also you can fix. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. There's not much point in streaming it. I was just trying to try out the new. Every time I stream, I have an agenda, either to just chill, just to get like a stream out, or I'll just try it. For example, this usually is a new setup. I also try new things like this, or I even played Clash of Clans just now. So if you guys like it, you may let me know. Nobody's watching this though, so it's fun. I just talk to myself. Yep, 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 yep. I don't know what I'm saying. What are you even saying, buddy? What are you even saying? Okay. I think we don't need this though.